Once upon a time, in the enchanting land of Glimmervale, lived a little Barbie princess named Elsa. Elsa had a heart as warm as sunshine and eyes that sparkled like the stars. She lived in a beautiful crystal castle surrounded by lush meadows, magical forests, and sparkling rivers. Elsa's favorite spot was the Whispering Woods, a mystical place where the trees seemed to hum songs and the flowers bloomed in every color imaginable. Despite being a princess, Elsa was adventurous and loved spending her days exploring Glimmervale. She had heard stories of magical creatures living in the woods, but had never seen one herself. That was until one fateful day. A strange glow in the forest. One sunny morning, Elsa noticed a faint glow coming from the heart of the Whispering Woods. Curious, she followed the shimmering light, her long, flowing gown trailing behind her. As she ventured deeper, she stumbled upon a tiny unicorn trapped in a thicket of thorny vines. The unicorn had a coat as white as snow, with a golden horn that glimmered in the sunlight. Its eyes, big and round, held a mixture of fear and sadness. Elsa's heart melted at the sight. "Don't be afraid, little one. I'll help you," she said softly. Elsa carefully untangled the vines, her delicate hands working quickly. As soon as the last vine fell away, the unicorn leapt up and nuzzled Elsa's cheek in gratitude. Suddenly, the unicorn's horn sparkled, and a soft, melodious voice filled the air. "Thank you, Princess Elsa. My name is Luna. You've saved me, and I owe you my life." Elsa gasped in wonder. "You can talk?" Luna nodded. "Only to those with a pure heart." A magical friendship. From that day on, Elsa and Luna became inseparable. Luna showed Elsa parts of Glimmervale that she had never seen before, secret waterfalls that shimmered like diamonds, fields of flowers that changed colors when touched, and hidden caves filled with glowing crystals. Luna's horn could create small bursts of magic, turning ordinary moments into extraordinary ones. One evening, as the sun set and painted the sky with hues of orange and pink, Luna shared a secret with Elsa. There is a hidden realm beyond Glimmervale, a place called Starlight Haven. It's where unicorns gather under the full moon. But lately, something strange has been happening. The magical barrier that protects our realm is weakening. If it disappears, our home will be in danger. Elsa listened intently. "Is there a way to fix it?" Luna nodded. "The barrier can only be restored by the Crystal of Eternity, which lies deep within the forbidden caverns. It's a treacherous journey, and no unicorn can retrieve it alone." Without hesitation, Elsa declared, "Then I'll help you, Luna. We'll save your home together." The journey to the forbidden caverns. The next morning, Elsa and Luna set out on their quest. Luna's horn lit their path as they ventured through dense forests, crossed roaring rivers, and climbed steep mountains. Along the way, they faced numerous challenges. In the shadowed valley, they encountered a mischievous group of sprites who demanded a riddle be solved before they could pass. Elsa's quick wit and Luna's charm won the sprites over, and they continued their journey. At the crystal peaks, they braved icy winds and slippery slopes. Elsa's determination and Luna's magical horn guided them safely through. Finally, they reached the forbidden caverns. The entrance was guarded by a massive stone guardian that roared to life as they approached. "Who dares enter the caverns of eternity?" the guardian bellowed. Elsa stepped forward bravely. "We come in peace to retrieve the crystal of eternity and save the unicorn realm." The guardian studied them for a moment before nodding. "Only those with courage and kindness in their hearts may proceed. Beware of the trials within." The trials of the caverns. Inside the caverns, Elsa and Luna faced 3 trials. The trial of trust. They had to cross a chasm on an invisible bridge. Luna's magic revealed the path, but it was Elsa's unwavering trust in her friend that helped them succeed. The trial of wisdom. They encountered a wall covered in glowing runes and had to solve a puzzle to unlock the next passage. Elsa's intelligence and Luna's keen eye deciphered the clues. The trial of sacrifice. In the final chamber, they found the crystal of eternity floating above a pool of golden light. But as Elsa reached for it, a shadowy figure appeared and demanded a sacrifice in exchange for the crystal. Without hesitation, Elsa offered her royal necklace, a precious family heirloom. The shadow accepted her offering and vanished, leaving the crystal behind. Restoring the barrier. With the crystal of eternity in their possession, Elsa and Luna raced back to Starlight Haven. As they approached, they saw the magical barrier flickering weakly. Luna placed the crystal on a pedestal in the center of the realm, and a burst of radiant light filled the air. The barrier was restored, stronger than ever. The unicorns of Starlight Haven gathered around Elsa and Luna, cheering and expressing their gratitude. Luna's parents, the king and queen of the unicorns, bowed before Elsa. "You have shown incredible courage, Princess Elsa. You are forever a friend of the unicorns," said the queen. A new beginning. As Elsa and Luna returned to Glimmervale, they knew their bond was unbreakable. Elsa had proven that bravery, kindness, and selflessness could overcome any challenge. She continued to explore her magical kingdom with Luna by her side, ready for whatever adventures awaited them next. And so, Princess Elsa and Luna lived happily ever after, their hearts forever entwined in a tale of friendship and magic. The end.